Olaf Meister, he watching you from his scout. He says to you, you have no pass. Olaf pass.
Hello, it's Justin. I'm gonna teach you how to make a paper airplane. You just need one piece of paper, blank paper, or any type of paper, and scissors. So first you need to flip it. Make it as precise as possible. Okay, that's good enough. Open. You flip it like this. And then you flip here. And usually people flip it like this. Now you flip it here. And just follow your usual steps. Same thing on the other side. Like this.
Olaf Meister, you are
Same thing on the other side.
Olaf Meister, you are Tech 9 Master. This is your favorite gun. Echo round, Echo don't exist.
If you do something wrong, just like flip it again. That. After you're done, it should look like this. Like that. You have a hole here, here, 2 holes here. After you're done with that, you just need to tighten it by doing this and all the sides so it's more stable. And see if you make a mistake. Just do that. The plane's ready to fly, and I'll see you in the flying range. Got our plane. We're gonna fly it.
Boost Meister now, Tech Meister, but what will happen in the future?
Make sure it's straight.
Boost Meister now, Tech Meister, but what will happen in the future?
So the plane is successful. Thanks for watching.